welcome to our kitchen. Today we are going to make a traditional South African cold curried pasta salad. You heard that right, traditional. And you are going to want to make this. Thank me in the comments later. And check out the ingredients that we got for it. Cut up one large onion into some really small chunks and then add them to some oil. And with the onions, chuck in the spices. That's a heaped teaspoon of Raj curry powder and then some salt and pepper. Mix in the curry powder until fully infused. Next, you're going to want to add some green, yellow and red peppers into the onions. Thanks for all the prep, sweetie. You're going to want to sweat them down a little bit. I don't know what that means. Ricky told me to say that.
It smells amazing.
It really does. Add in a tablespoon of lemon juice. At this point, you're probably going to want to start your pasta and cook it until it's al dente. And then put to one side. 2 whole tablespoons of actual peach chutney. You heard that, yeah. Time for the tangy mayonnaise. You're going to add 3 heaped tablespoons. It's actual condensed milk.
No way. In a salad?
In the salad, you got to put it. Susan says so. 1 tablespoon. Oh man. Doesn't come off the spoon properly.
Oh no, what can we do about that?
Oh wow. How can you resist?
No, you can't. Gosh, how many times did I cut myself as a child?
Finally, and I do mean finally, add the pasta.
It's quite easy. You guys have got to try this.
Simple. This recipe was actually from Susan. She was always tasked at any of the events that we went to with actually making the pasta salad. But she made a lot more than this.
It smells amazing.
It really does. You can't eat it right away. Sorry guys, it is cold pasta salad after all.
Speak for yourself.
I'm going to put it in a bowl and put it in the fridge for a couple of hours. Excuse me? Cold pasta salad?
It's so good.
Oh, I can't wait.